Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're back from, or hopefully you're back from 1 week, it seemed like a week holiday here in Poland, where a lot of people were on holiday, maybe not only in Poland, but also all of Europe. So welcome back to the office or welcome back to work if you're back today. We're here at, of course, on Monday morning, Panattoni Cafe. We're filming a Coffee with Craig show, as you know, once a week. And we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. So, Winston, great to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Yeah, good. Nice rainy weekend. So it was good, some inside sports, very nice. So let us know the headlines for the day or for the week.
Yeah, sure. So we'll start with some news from Panattoni actually today, and
Okay.
they've sold a BTS facility to LCN Capital Partners.
Mm.
CEMO have sold an office building in Budapest, and VA Outlets, the fashion outlet developer, they've reported a very good first quarter for 2023, and the Revitas Group has appointed a new senior advisor.
Oh, great. So a lot going on here for this Monday. So again, welcome back. Welcome back to the office. We've got a lot of things going on. Main thing this month is on May 25th, we have our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards up in Sopot, Poland, which is right on the Baltic coast between Gdansk, Gdynia. If you're coming in for the event or you want to come, if you're flying in for the event, we have the great airport at Gdansk and a super way just to get straight to Sopot from there. So very close, very nice international airport there in Gdansk as well. So a lot going on, a lot of sponsors for this event, a lot of people already coming from Poland, of course, but also the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, a lot of projects. Some of the big investments already being mentioned there. Also, Scandinavia, quite a few people coming in, quite a few investors, retailers, some developers coming from Scandinavia and the Nordics as well. A little bit on some of the deep water ports and a lot on logistics. So really a great day. Great full day. We have a morning conference as we normally do, and then the evening big gala dinner and awards. So come on up. You'll see who's doing what in around the Baltics. So of course Poland we cover, northern Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, all of Scandinavia, and of course the Nordics. So having said that, let's take a little break. You'll see a little bit about the Baltic Awards and Real Estate Awards and the forum, and then we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. So welcome back from our little break there, and Winston. So a lot of interesting headlines. Tell us what is going on.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, so Panattoni have sold a 33,000 square meter logistics center in Poland, which was sold to LCN Capital Partners.
Mm-hmm.
And it's the fourth facility within a K-Flex manufacturing campus.
Mm-hmm.
And according to Warszawskiej, he's from LCN Capital Partners, the combination of quality real estate and the potential further growth makes the facility an attractive investment, which is why we decided to continue to invest into K-Flex. And Pawłowski from Panattoni adds, this deal confirms a strong interest in BTS buildings leased to one tenant over a long term. It also confirms the attractiveness of the investment structures where all commercial teams are pre-arranged and known in advance, especially in current turbulent times in the financial markets. So lots of interesting news there from Panattoni, and continue to keep selling their BTS and warehouse developments throughout the region.
Yeah, and Ward Stalker, we know him quite a long time from even in Budapest. So
That's right.
good.
Yeah, from the agency side.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And moving to Budapest and staying in the investment market, and CEMO successfully closed the sale of Vivivarius office centre in Budapest. The project is around 14,000 square metres and it's 96% let. and it has an annual gross income of around 2.5 million euros. And the buyer is the real estate fund managed by LFE. And according to Keegan Viscius, he's from CA IMO, he says this successful sale in Budapest is another step in our capital rotation program where we seek to divest assets with no strategic fit in our long-term portfolio while improving our portfolio and cash flow quality. CBR Hungary acted as an exclusive financial and real estate advisor in the sale process. Moving to the retail sector, and factory outlet developer VA Outlets has recorded a 20% increase in brand sales across its 11 pan-European fashion outlet centres in the first quarter of 2023. They say driven mainly by a post-pandemic resurgence in tourism, multiple new brand openings, and a higher net spending per visitor. More details include total footfall rose around 13.3% in the quarter one. Guest spending jumped 21.4% between January and March, and that's a 6.2% rise on quarter one last year. And the portfolio is valued now at around 1.8 billion euros, and total brand sales across the outlet centre portfolio was recorded at 1.2 billion in 2022. And according to Otto Ambagstier, he's the CEO of VA Outlets, he says this year so far has been notable for the continuation of the resurgence in brand sales we saw during the fourth quarter of 2022. It's clear that the rapid recovery has been supported by the competitive prices our guests can find in our outlets, particularly during periods of economic downturn.
Amazing how well the outlets are doing.
Yeah, I think it stands to reason that they've got a pretty good model. You know, it's cheaper goods and people looking for bargains these days.
Yeah, of course.
And finally, for today, the Revitas Group have announced a new partnership with Edgar Rosemere, who joined the group as a senior advisor. He will bring strategic support for Revitas with ongoing fundraising and transaction advice, and will work closely with senior management and the investment management team. And Rosemere said, I'm thrilled about my new partnership with Revitas Capital, a team that upholds the highest ethical and sustainability standards and sets high quality benchmarks for its groundbreaking investments. I have faith that our joint efforts will bring about strategic and competitive advantages for our investors.
Yeah, great. I mean, I think that's good news for Revitas and for Edgar, because he's, of course, he's well known in the market, and so is Revitas as well. So probably a lot of press releases and interesting projects and investments on the way. I would
Yeah, I mean, he's a seasoned professional, isn't he?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show today, and we hope to see you at our May 25th event in Sopot, the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards. So take a look at the website, balticrealestateawards.eu, or just drop us a little line and we'll be happy to send you some information. Enjoy the rest of the day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.